Hej YouTube, velkommen tilbage. Det er ved at være lang tid siden jeg har lavet noget. Jeg hedder Mr. Michael, og det her er min kanal, Mr. Michael. I dag vil jeg lave en Let's Play Mafia 2, fordi jeg synes, at Mafia 2 er et fedt spil, det håber jeg også, I synes. Og hvis I har lyst til at sige noget til mig, eller et andet, så eller synes, den er god, den her video, så like. Hvis I vil sige noget til mig, comment. Eller subscribe på min kanal. Det vil bare være så fedt. Og jamen, så vil jeg gå i gang med den her Let's Play Mafia 2. Håber I synes, den er god. Og til jer, for jeg vil så spille det her igennem forfra. Ja. Jeg har spillet det før, og synes, at det er mega fedt. Mega fedt spil. Og så er vi i weekenden selvfølgelig ved at være slut. Det er pisse noget, men så skal man i skole igen til os, der skal i skole, og så er der så nogen, der ikke skal i skole, men det, sådan er det. Til jer for jeres, eller så stopper jeg i hvert fald ikke videoerne nogensinde steder. Jeg synes, I skal have lov til at se igennem hele Mafia 2. Fordi jeg synes, at det skal I have lov til at se, hvordan spillet er. Og også høre historien.
My name is Vito Scaletta. I was born in Sicily in 1925. That little guy's me. I'm standing there with my parents and my sister Francesca in front of our old house. I don't really remember too much about the old country, except that we were pretty hard up. And then one day my father decided it was time to move away. Away from Sicily, across the ocean, to start a new life in America. Never in my life had I seen anything as fantastic as Empire Bay. It was beautiful. On the other hand, I'd never seen anything filthier, more disgusting than our new shithole of an apartment. The American dream was more like a nightmare. My father started working at the port for the guy who arranged our immigration. It was backbreaking work, and what little money he made mostly went towards booze. Eventually, my parents sent me to school. I had to learn English. I sure as hell wasn't going to do that in a neighborhood full of Italians. That's where I met Joe.
Come on, Vito, hurry it up. We ain't got all night.
Over time, Joe and I got to be best friends. And since we were both poor and there wasn't much work around, shit, we started a little business of our own.
Freeze! Police! Stop! Vito, this way! Throw me to bed! Stop! I'm gonna shoot!
Shit.
Okay, you bastard. Spread your legs.
Fuck.
And put your hands on the fence.
I'm sorry. Well, that one time it didn't work out so good. The year was 1943. America was at war, and the army was looking for guys who spoke the language to help with the invasion of Sicily. I was 18, and anything seemed better than jail. Who says you can't go home again? Operation Husky. I was assigned to the 504th Parachute Infantry. On the 11th of July, we were supposed to be dropped over the southern coast of Sicily, but we got hit by flak and had to bail out. way behind enemy lines. Only 3 of us made it. If it wasn't for the local resistance, we wouldn't have had a chance. So when Mussolini's soldiers came into the town and started rounding everybody up, he decided to return the favor.
Se nessuno parla, quest'uomo morirà. Eh?
No, mi morirò.
All right, Skelett. The shot. Behind the center, assholes! Somebody toss a grenade! They're falling back. Let's go! On me! Shit!
Ammacciarsi, le zampare prigioniere prima che arriva l'esercito.
Corporal,
Angela Toyama,
this guy's saying there's more troops headed this way.
Terrific, all right. You and Williams take out that machine gun nest. Then find the prisoners. We're gonna need every man we can get.
Dopo, piccolo!
Ain't getting through this way. Looks like we got a grenade, Skeletta. Watch it! Put a grenade through the window! Whoa! Skeletta, you alive?
Yeah, just about.
Well, then get off your ass and let's move it. Grab all the ammo you can carry. This might be our last chance.
Whoa! Look at this shit.
On the stairs! Hey, please go! Come on, assholes! Must have the prisoners upstairs. Clear the second floor. Skeletta, you take point.
Uccidete
Right
gli
behind
ostaggi! Ammazzo tutti!
Got him. Arredi. Shit. Looks like we're going this way. Come on. Hey, bye by me, asshole! Shit! This balcony isn't gonna work! We gotta keep moving! Get inside! Get inside, Skeletta! We're gonna die out there!
Arrivano altri vaccini! Ottano, non forzi!
Take out that truck!
Dicevo al mio amico di stare attento.
Fregatene di fare attenzione, fai ciò che ti è stato detto!
Non sparate, becciotti!
Ma che diavolo sta dicendo? Chi si crede di essere?
Un'offerta da fare!
È davvero Don Cao!
Guerra è finita!
Cacetto, un congeco quando si maritava come cucina.
Venuti all'imperare!
Ma chi è quello? Lo conoscete?
Lo conoscono tutti. Don Calò è un uomo d'onore.
È uno stupido trucco degli americani, non ditemi che gli credete!
No, è davvero Don Calò. Ogni tanto dovreste ascoltare i consigli di noiazzi del posto. Ci rendiamo?
Sapete che potete fidarvi di me. Che ne dite, eh?
Don Carlo, the head of the Sicilian mob. An entire garrison of troops surrendered that day. Why? Because he told them to.
Så er vi ved at være færdige, YouTube. Jeg håber, I nåede det. Og at I kunne lide den første kapitel af Mafia 2. I morgen, der kommer, eller på et andet tidspunkt, når jeg lige får tid, så kommer det næste kapitel af Mafia, den her Let's Play Mafia 2. Håber, I kunne lide det. Vi ses derude. Peace out.